Wondering if awards and industry recognition actually mean a gold IRA company is trustworthy? Third-party validation can give you a clearer picture. Investors often question whether awards and industry recognition truly reflect a company's trustworthiness. That's why checking for third-party validation is so helpful. In the White's Augusta Guide, you will see examples of awards that signal quality and reliability. These are examples from the guide to illustrate how you can use awards and recognitions to evaluate any gold IRA provider. When assessing third-party recognition, look for awards from reputable publications or organizations, consistency in recognition over time, and alignment between awards, reviews, and customer feedback. This guide is one of 8 in the free Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also includes Gold and Silver IRA, the Silver Scheme Report, and the Digital Dollar Report. I'll link this one in the description so you can see how awards and third-party endorsements can help validate a provider's credibility. By leveraging these recognitions, you will be better equipped to pick a reputable Gold IRA company. Download the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It's beginner-friendly, easy to follow, and helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to use third-party awards to identify credible Gold IRA providers. You can find the link in the description.